Yeah, I'm that hillbilly that you heard about. Crazy as hell with a dirty mouth. I got fans from Canada to the south, cranking up my jams, what a butter now. I got more haters than the average Joe, but I don't let them get to me though. I just smile and wave like, here you go. 2 free birds, no skinnered hoe. You don't like me, well that's your.
Welcome back to Hillbilly-creations. Today we're doing something different. We're working on this early model big Honda Big Red, and we already did the service on it. We did oil change. Now we're doing a gas tank repair. The last owners repaired the gas tank with some JBL, and they did a really shitty job. So we're going to do that quick repair and pump up the tires and take this thing on the trail. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. Okay, back working on the gas tank repair for the little Big Red there. Where they JBL'd the shit out of this. It looks like a kindergarten student was doing this job here. They used the wrong material, wrong JBL. It looks like they used an exhaust patch kit. So we're going to clean that up, and we're just going to put some proper JBL on there, and hopefully that holds. But we're going to give it some time to cure. And in the meantime, while this is curing, we're going to do some tire repair on the old Big Red there, and do a fresh oil change on the old Jacobsen. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, we got all the JBL taken off now. Now I'm just going to hit it with a little wire brush and clean that up, and then make sure there's no paint or no little particles or dust on there, so the JBL cures good to the metal here. So we're just going to clean it up a little bit. I'll take you guys along with me. Huh?
Where's your keys?
I don't have your keys.
Well, obviously you took them.
Let me shut this off now. Okay, we just gotta clean up this last side here, get everything cleaned and all dried off so that we can do our JB weld and get that all sealed. so white. It's like they just fucking drive a mile an hour.
It's the clear
Yeah, I know.
JB weld. Yeah, you're just getting it. I don't get why they'd use clear JB on that.
Buddy, come here. Still playing, eh? Come here. We got another little shop helper in today. It's our little Frenchie puppy. The only thing he has going for him is cute. Because he knows how to annoy Dad a lot. But I love him. Hey, Bodie man. Yeah. Okay, so we got that cleaned up now. I just need to wipe it down. Clean it. And my buddy there is going to mix up some JB Weld and we're going to do this patch job. And I'll give you guys a little rundown on this. The Big Red here. My buddy actually found this on Facebook Marketplace for $400. She was taking offers on and he offered her $400 and the lady jumped at it, no problem. So we got it in the shop and you guys are going to see a lot more videos with it, either with me on it or my buddy on it. So this is my buddy right here, and that's his Big Red. So we're going to get this all patched up, and we're going to take Big Red and the Jacobsen out for a drive today. And we're going to hopefully find some fucking mud. Buddy, treats! So we took the Jacobsen out and the trike, the Big Red there, and I sent Buddy back to the house because I am sitting in the dark and I have broke down. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I tried to get a good video, but we had nothing but problems. And here, I'll give you guys a little rundown what I'm sitting in. Just a wee bit dark. Howdy everyone. So we did take out the Jacobsen here and we did take out Big Red. Big Red did alright. It did break the recoil, so we fixed that on the side of the road, but as you see we got hazards right here and I am broke down. I think I bent my front axle.
Well, you definitely broke those axles, but
oh, I definitely did break that.
Those axles.
And I think I might have blew up my motor a little bit. So you know, you got to pay to play, right? And that's part of the game. So you guys are going to see the Jacobsen back in the shop getting stripped down to see what the hell I broke. And I wish I got a video of me breaking the stuff. I apologize about that, and hopefully we'll get more content later on about going in the trails. And we did find some good trails, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry it wasn't all that much. We got the Big Red all tuned up and going good, and we thought the Jacobsen was good, but I guess not. I guess we find out, right, when we take her into the pits. So
she was good until she wasn't.
Yeah, and we tried to replace the head gasket repair kit in it, and that didn't do much. So I am going to strip the motor apart, rebuild the whole motor, and hopefully upgrade it and make it a lot faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next one, you guys all take care. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It always helps out me and always gives me more motivation. Until the next one, you guys all take care. Cheers.